Okay. The syllabus, I will post the syllabus on Blackboard, like the exam dates and basically like before, we're going to have a homework assignments every class, and you don't have to turn in homework assignments, and I will post homework assignment solutions on Blackboard before the quiz. We have a quiz every class before the new lectures, and the quiz problems will be from homework assignments. So we usually will pick 4 or 5 problems from the homework assignments, exactly the same problems. So if you do your homework, you should be fine with the quiz. Okay, and there will be 1 exam and 1 comprehensive final. Okay, and there will be my information about my office, office numbers and office hours and email on Blackboard. Okay, so you should have a Blackboard ID and password to be able to check the information about this class and the homework assignment solutions, and also check your grades. Okay, we're gonna get started. Athens actually probably is using this textbook, or there's probably another one, but I look at this book, it's basically the same. If you have taken Math 122, it's very similar to the topics there, and it's just a little bit more information. So I'm gonna continue to use this textbook, Analytic Geometry. Okay, so what is analytic geometry? It's basically, generally, it's like we're using algebra to solve geometry problems. Geometry, if we start from, let's recall what we have learned in geometry class. So what did we learn in geometry class? We studied all kinds of like figures, right? For example, a parallelogram and square, rectangle, and a triangle and a circle. Okay. And actually, the simplest graph or figure we learn in geometry is what? Point, right? You always start with a point, and then you're going to have a line segment, and then you're going to have a straight line, or okay, and then you have other figures, for example, parallelogram, or rectangle, or square, or circle. Okay, so these are the pictures, figures we learned in geometry class. We studied all kinds of properties. For example, and also triangle. To like the diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. Okay, and what about algebra class? What did we learn in algebra class? And for example, oh, it's just